The following mixer was transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I will prove. This is not a test. This is our cause of Nintendo that me and Mario is shutting down forever, causing to shut down. Nintendo said that Mario had died from March 31 so immediately he might go to heaven. I pray he might go to heaven or something. This is perfectly in a Mario game. I put perfectly in a Mario game. We have spent time with Mario. Now the end have come for them. That means no more Mario games for life. This Nintendo me will now deliver a message over to the air to see won't sense him. Please stand by. Hi, good evening everyone. This is going to be Ian and Mario. So, there is no way to stop Mario happening, shutting down. So at this time, Mario will be going to heaven. So, this means that no one playing games with it, you might play something with different else. Goodbye and God bless him, Mario. That's a message for Nintendo. This is going to be the end of Nintendo's of Mario. This station will sign off now.